If you are like 90% of the people, you will answer this simple question wrong. So those people would say, okay, 16 divided by 4 is 4, and 4 to the power of 2 is 16. But actually, this is wrong. And if I run the code, you can see the result is 1, not 16. But the question is, why? So first of all, let's talk about this, and after that, we will talk about a more complex thing such as this one. So let's start with this one. So the key to answer this question is the order of operations. So as you can see, this is the order of operations in Python. So first of all, we should take care of parentheses. So do we have any parentheses in this example? No, we don't have. So let's go to the second one. The second order, which is this power operator. Do we have any power operator in this example? Yes, we have. And as you can see, this is the power operator. So first of all, we should calculate this. So 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So now, once again, we should refer to this list. So as you can see, we don't have any parentheses. We don't have any power operator, but we do have this division operator. So now we're going to calculate this, and we are saying that 16 divided by 16 is 1. So the result of this example is 1. So now, as you can see, if I run the code, this is the result, which is 1, and it is exactly as we have calculated. But now let's talk about a more complicated example, and we want to calculate this expression. So first of all, once again, we should refer to this list. Do we have any parentheses in this example? Yes, we have. As you can see, this is a parenthesis. So we need to calculate whatever which is inside this parenthesis. So now we should refer to this list. Do we have any parentheses inside this parenthesis? No, we don't have. So we should go to the next one. Do we have any power operator? Yes, we do have. As you can see, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So once again, do we have any parentheses here? No, we don't have. Do we have any power operator here? No, we don't have. Do we have any, for example, multiplication, division, or whatever here? Yes, we have. As you can see, we have this division operator, and also we have this multiplication operator. So the question is, okay, we have for example, multiplication operator and also a division operator, but which one should we take care of first? The answer is whichever comes first. So as you can see, the division operator is coming first. So first of all, we need to calculate that. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So then we have this multiplication operator, and this multiplication operator should be taken care of. So 8 times 5 is 40. So now we have an addition operator and also a subtraction operator. So the question is, which one should be calculated first? The answer is whichever comes first. So first of all, we should calculate this, which is 40 minus 2. So it is 38, and 38 plus 4 is 42. And as you can see here, we have only one number inside that parenthesis. So actually, we can replace that with 42, and we can simply type 42. So now we have this expression, and now we should refer to this list again. Do we have any parentheses? No, we don't have. Do we have any power operator? Yes, we have. As you can see, 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. So once again, we should refer to this table. Do we have any parentheses? No, we don't have. Do we have any power operator? No, we don't have. Do we have any of these things? Yes, we do have. As you can see, we have this floor division and also this modulo operator. And by the way, if you don't know about what is the meaning of floor division and modulo operator, we have talked about this in the previous video of this playlist. Anyway, so as you can see, we have these two operators which are here. And the question is, which of them should be taken care of first? The answer is whichever comes first. So first of all, we should calculate this part. 42 floor division 8. And as we know, the floor division of 42 by 8 is 5. And now we should calculate this. It means that what is the remainder when we want to divide 5 by 2. This is the modulo operator. It says that what is a remainder if we divide 5 by 2. So it's very obvious that 2 times 2 is 4, and the remainder is going to be 1. So the result is going to be 1. And here is the initial expression that we had. And now if I run the code, you can see the result is 1, exactly like we have calculated. This was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of Python. You can find the link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.